Hello everyone, I am Walt, and today we will be talking about our fourth unit in internet psychology, and this one is a pretty interesting one all about communicating via the internet and how the internet is changing our communication. Okay, so we all know, or rather we've all been told, the fact that people, are getting the communication's getting briefer and it's getting less formal, and that's all thanks to the internet. The internet's destroying society, Look at this, see everybody's communication, it's all brief, and they're like texting people and they're using the letter U and OMG and stuff, all these abbreviations instead of actually spelling out words like we used to. And they're like, doing stuff like that, Society's ruined. And so it's less formal, it's briefer, society's ruined. Well, guess what, guys? No, it's not. The internet is not making anything briefer, in terms of communication, and it is not making things less formal. As I have linked up some good materials in the description there, you can see, if we want to look for OMG, there is a telegram to Winston Churchill here during the war, We got this, the Second World War there. So, way back when here, we have the Second World War, and we have OMG used in a telegram. So, brief and not that formal? What is going on here? Somebody would, dare send a telegram that has OMG in it? Well, guess what? Yes, they would. Because telegrams were super brief and super informal. We've always had problems with some people being informal when they shouldn't be. That is natural, That has always been the case, continues to be the case. Brief communication, let's look back at telegrams. People have used telegrams for many a year to communicate in a very brief way. The go-to example here is a playwright of Les Miserables who sends a telegram that just says Les Miserables ? In terms to his publisher there about how it's doing, and he gets back ! So yes, brief communication has always happened. People have used the letter U for spelling out you for many years, Brief communication is not new at all, So, the internet is not changing how we're communicating and is not making us less formal here, and all that kind of stuff. If you actually check college essays here, you'll actually find them to have more depth, more material than they used to, People who say that this has really changed simply do not have the right memory about it, Or was specific to them and not to the average, People often have nostalgic memory and they often hate new technology and blame it for everything. So, they blame things that are not actually the fault of the technology, rather the fault of humanity for things that they wish were not actually there. That's many times the case. So, the internet is not making communication briefer, and it is not making communication less formal. So, know that one. And I will see you guys next time for our next video here in unit number 4. Stay tuned. I'll see you then.